back to the channel. This is Sean, flying for fun. Last time you would have seen I broke my tow wheel on landing. Didn't do any big damage and did a bit of a repair job. I think it worked out quite well. Thanks a lot for the Kip Planes Africa user group, WhatsApp group. I got some recommendation to rather put a bigger bolt in, a 10 mil bolt. Other modifications, there's the new audio cables, nicely positioned, out of the way, no more issues at the back there. And then at the back here I've put in over there an extra power connector, so to charge these cameras, so I can send you guys some nice cool videos. And I also pulled a charging point for it. These GoPros don't really last very long, and I want to be able to switch it on and off, so I've wired it back to the cockpit and I've got it on an on-off switch there, so I can switch it off and on remotely, tied in with my iPhone, and then I can record or not. So that's a new special feature of the plane. But I think it's time to go and fly, and let's see what type of videos they do. Welcome back. Nice little flight. Everything seemed to work quite well. You'll probably see from the videos I'm using a gimbal type camera inside, so obviously it doesn't work so well when you put it on the pilot and you do a bit of a dive down, because it goes into the ceiling. But I'll show that on the video. It was quite cool. Tail wheel worked quite well, as you could see. I did a nice little spin near the end there. But yes, another video from Sean. Like and subscribe. And some comments. I've had one comment from my son saying I need to buy a selfie stick, which I did. Cheers, guys.